उन्नति वेलकम बैक टू DIY बाय उन्नति। आज हम बना रहे हैं यूनिकॉर्न पेंसिल टॉपर्स। सबसे पहले हम यूनिकॉर्न्स को ड्रॉ कर लेंगे और कलर कर लेंगे। I have already made a video on how to draw unicorn. You can check that out. I will put the link in the description box. Now we will cut out the unicorn, covering the pencils with craft paper and ribbon.
If you're gonna treat me right, keep me burning through the night. If you haven't got the time, I'll be on to the next one.
Used glue gun. You can use whatever glue you have.
To the surface, I'm right here with you now. Somehow we feel at the speed of sound. We're a constellation, but we collide. It's so
Now we will paste the unicorn on pom-pom.
It's another sign, heaven only knows we're too close. Falling like the lights that keep us blinded. We're higher than the stars that shine. I need you close to me. This gravity pulls us together and apart. Every night we're like astronomy.
And it's ready.